The love I have for you is unreal, Kiwi. And he just wants to be cuddling all the time. Kiwi. Oh, I'm literally obsessed with him. Coco, your turn will come soon. He just wants more. You want more, Kiwi? I know. Okay, go on. Go on now. Time for Coco. Coco, you want to come now? Come on. Good bird. Coco always gets jealous, don't you? And I have to give them their separate time because they are very aggressive with each other when it comes to their human owner. Or should I say human friend, because they are my friends. Oh, he wants to come. Yeah, they will literally be biting each other and stuff when I give one of them pets. And I know someone before said, oh, you got 2 arms, so just, it doesn't matter. They're still going to get aggressive and protective of me, or of their bond, if I shall say. So I just have to do it separately, give them each their own time. And then sometimes I just like to let them roam around alone together because they like that too. Wait, he's gonna start singing soon. Wait for it. Well, maybe because I'm recording, he won't.